Hey Jack, how are you doing today?
Hi, Maya. I'm great, thanks. How about you?
I'm good. I was thinking, we never really talked about our daily routines. What's your typical day like?
That's an interesting question. I'd enjoy answering. My days are full, but planned out. What about your routine?
Same for me. Go ahead and start. What's your morning routine like?
Sure. Every morning I wake up at 6:30, and the first thing I do is turn my alarm off.
6:30? Impressive. I wake up at 7. What's the next thing you do after waking up?
I stay in bed for a bit, about 5 minutes, checking my phone and setting my day in my mind. After that, I get up and make my bed.
That's a good habit. Do you exercise in the morning?
Yes, I usually take a 30-minute jog in the park close to my home. It helps me wake up and boosts my energy for the day.
That sounds refreshing. I don't jog, but I do 20 minutes of yoga at home. It helps me feel calm and focused.
It's great, too. So, what do you do after your yoga session?
I clean up, dress up, and then enjoy breakfast. Usually oatmeal and fruit or scrambled eggs on toast.
Nice! I prefer a simple breakfast. Just tea, toast with butter, and sometimes a banana. I'm not a big breakfast person.
Tea is a must for me too. I can't start my day without it. Do you prepare your breakfast yourself?
Yes, I do. It's quick and easy. After breakfast, I brush my teeth, grab my bag, and leave for work around 8:15 a.m.
Work/study time.
Work/study time.
What time do you start work?
I start at 9 a.m. I work in an office, so I have to commute. The journey takes about 30 minutes by bus.
I see. I work from home, so I just walk to my home office. I start working at 9:30 a.m. too.
That's great. No traffic stress. How does your workday look?
Well, the first thing I do is check my emails and reply to urgent messages. Then I have a team meeting at 9:30 a.m. on video call.
We have meetings too, usually around 11 a.m. After that, I focus on my main tasks for the day.
Same here. I work until 1:30 p.m. Then I take my lunch break. What about you?
I take my lunch at 1 p.m. Usually, I eat with colleagues in the office cafeteria, though sometimes we head to a nearby restaurant.
That sounds fun. I just make a quick lunch at home, usually a sandwich, salad, or leftovers from dinner.
Do you take a break after lunch?
Yes, I take a quick 10-minute break. Sometimes I watch a short video or just unwind, then continue working until 5 p.m.
I work until 5:30 p.m. Then I head home. The evening commute is always longer, about 45 minutes.
Evening routine.
Evening routine.
So, what do you do when you get home?
I begin by switching to comfortable clothes. Then I relax for about 30 minutes, watching TV or checking social media.
That's important. We all need to unwind. What time do you have dinner?
I usually have dinner around 7 p.m. Since I'm not a very good cook, I stick to simple meals like pasta or rice with veggies, or sometimes I order food.
I really like cooking. Dinner usually takes me 45 minutes to prepare. I enjoy testing new recipes, and it relaxes me.
That's a wonderful hobby. Do you eat alone or with family?
I live with my roommate, so we usually eat dinner together and talk about our day. It's nice to have company.
That sounds lovely. I live alone, so I often eat while watching a show or listening to music.
Nothing wrong with that. So, what do you do after dinner?
After doing the dishes and cleaning the kitchen, I relax in my free time, reading, gaming, or chatting with family and friends.
Nice. I also enjoy reading. After dinner, I might watch a movie, practice my hobbies, or study something new online.
Night routine.
Night routine.
What time do you usually go to bed?
I try to sleep by 11 p.m. Before bed, I take a shower, do my skincare routine, and set my alarm for the next day.
Around 11:30 p.m., I go to bed. My bedtime routine is straightforward. Brush my teeth, set my alarm, and read a bit before sleeping.
Reading before bed is a great habit. It helps you sleep better, right?
Exactly. It relaxes my mind. I avoid using my phone before sleep because the screen keeps me awake.
That's smart. I try to do the same, but sometimes I fail.
By the way, is your weekend routine different from weekdays?
Yes, totally. On weekends, I sleep in until around 9 a.m. I have a large breakfast, meet up with friends, go shopping, or just unwind at home.
Same. Weekends are for sleeping in and having fun. No alarms, no rush.
It's really interesting to learn about your daily routine, Mike. We have some similar habits.
Yes, it's funny how everyone has their own rhythm, but the important thing is finding a routine that works for you.
To our viewers, what's your daily routine? Share it in the comments.
Yes, and remember, there's no perfect routine. Just do what makes you happy and healthy.
Well said, Sarah. Thanks for sharing your routine with me today.
Thank you too, Jack. See you in the next video. Vocabulary learned.
Daily routine.
Wake up, get up,
Make my bed.
sleep in,
Scroll through.
unwind/relax,
Take a shower.
go for a jog.
Bye, everyone. Take care.
Bye, everyone. Take care.